Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So, let's get started. The current market price of GBPUSD is 1.2281. This is the current market price here. And as you all know, that GBPUSD is under selling pressure. There is no denial that the overall trend of GBPUSD is very much towards the downside. And as we all know, the market has only one rule. Whether it is stock market or forex market, doesn't matter. Market has only one rule, and the rule is follow the trend. So considering the trend of the market, or if we follow the trend of GBPUSD, it is better to be on the sale side only. Yes. So in the chart of GBPUSD, okay, we will try to look for selling opportunities respecting the only rule of market, that is the trend of the market. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY, yes, as always, flying right now and trading above 104 level. DXY is standing at the most important or crucial support of 104, but DXY still looks very strong. So if DXY breaks this level and starts going up again, then yes, Euro USD, GBP USD will be under selling pressure again. And right now we do not have any immediate resistance also on the chart of DXY. So DXY is extremely bullish, whereas GBP USD is very bearish. So let's look at the trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD. So previously, when market bounced from this level of 1.2283 or 80, we can see that market bounced from this level. But right now, market is not bouncing because DXY is positive, selling pressure is there in GBP USD, sellers are dominating the market. So as a result, we do not see the bounce we witness here. So as a result, it is not a good thing to take a buy position right now. At least in my opinion, those who have started trading recently, beginners, you should avoid taking a buy position here. If you have considerable experience in the market, if you have been trading for a good amount of time, then you can take buy position. Otherwise, it is better to avoid buy position. Okay. And if we see GBP USD breaking this present level and going down, we can take a sell position as well. Okay, so if GBP USD breaks this level, wait for couple of minutes, wait for 1 hour, 2 hours, and just observe the market. If you see that after a few hours also the selling is continuing, the selling pressure is present in the market, you can take a sell position. But keep in mind, follow proper risk management, because in this kind of market or in this type of market, it is better to go for sell on rise only. Okay, it is better to go for sell. So if market breaks this level, starts going down, you can, with proper risk management, you can take a sell position. But if you are looking for a safe selling opportunity, then it is better to take a sell position around 1.2400 or 1.2430. Around this level, there is a possibility of market facing selling pressure again. So if market goes up from here, okay, then around this level we have the 50 moving average as dynamic resistance, and previously this was the same level which acted as minor support also. So support is acting as resistance, then we have the 50 moving average. So there is a possibility that if market goes up, yes, listen to me carefully, if market goes up, there is a possibility market will reverse from here. If market reverses, if we see price rejection from above, if we see selling pressure around this level, we can take a sell position. But if market breaks this level, starts going down, we can take a sell position. But we must be careful, because see, breakout, okay, breakout and fake breakouts are good, but fake outs are very dangerous. Okay, so nothing much to discuss. If market goes up and reverses from here, sell. If market breaks the level, you can go for a sell after 1 or 2 hours. If you see the selling is there in the market, better to avoid taking a buy position. If you're experienced, you can go for a buy, it's your call, but I will not recommend. The ultimate support on the chart right now is 1.2070. This is the ultimate support on the chart of GBP USD that I see. Until and unless GBP USD reaches this level, we can expect the selling pressure to continue. Whatever you do, my dear friends, please keep your one eye on DXY. We have many events, important events that will be affecting the chart of DXY. Okay, so keep your one eye on DXY. There may be some fundamental factors that may drive the market in the opposite direction as well. Be careful, follow proper risk management, protect your hard-earned money and capital. Bye bye.